Hey, what's up? Good morning. As promised myself, I woke up early today and went out to see Senso-ji Temple early in the morning. It's currently 6:30 a.m. This is pretty easy for me to do because, as I've mentioned before, I only live 2 blocks away from the Senso-ji Temple. Like, this isn't even like a 3-minute walk. Anyway, this is Senso-ji Temple early in the morning. Almost no people at all. still here in Asakusa, just looking for lunch. I just got done with work. So the place I'm staying at, it has a sauna and an onsen. But the caveat is, it closes on 11 a.m. up to 3 p.m. So it's currently 2:20 in the afternoon. And I still have like a couple of minutes to kill. And I haven't had lunch yet, so that's what I'm currently looking for. Again, I am very near at the Senso-ji complex, so it has really a lot of food choices in there, but kind of in a mood for fast food right now, like American fast food. And try some Japan exclusives as well. Let's see, I think I saw McDonald's in here, but I'm looking for KFC at least. Look at how crowded it is. Remember I went here early this morning? It still had people, but it's not this crowded. It wasn't crowded at all. And by the way, this place has a gorgeous view of the Tokyo Tower. Took a few nice photos in there. One thing I haven't tried in here yet is takoyaki, because that one place I found yesterday, it was closed when I went, so I didn't get to buy anything. Ewan ko, wait, is that? Feeling ko may takoyaki store dun. It's a Monday and it's still crowded as heck. It's still very cold today. Oh, it's just 20 degrees actually, but still pretty cold. The day started at 10 degrees when I woke up at like 5 a.m. At midday, it went into like 13 degrees and now it's 20 degrees. And it's not warmer at all. It feels like less than 20 degrees. Yo, there's a Matsuya just 2 blocks away from where I'm staying. I didn't know this. This is like my top 1 Japanese. Is this a fast food? I think it's a fast food. Yeah, so this is my top 1. This beats Yoshinoya. But Yoshinoya has a pretty affordable unagi though. So if you want to try unagi or grilled eel, you can try it at Yoshinoya. Mahal. I just learned this today. Apparently, there is no transaction fee when you withdraw through 7-Eleven ATMs. Another thing is always choose the local currency when you are shown options.
Almost. It's 56 and 90, 190.
Can I test it? Got the goods. If you're looking for second-hand gadgets or electronics, just look for this store. It's called Janpara.